Hello, my name is Crystal. Please make yourself comfortable because I'm going to draw some cards here for the collective. This is a collective reading. Spirit's got something to tell you. So I just like to jump into it. Oh, we got a card, two cards that slid across the table. There is Illuminate the Shadow. Focus on a solution. So you've reflected. There has been situations coming up that maybe have been triggering old memories. This is these memories per se, this reflection, this realization has been activating your third eye, allowing you to see things in different perspectives. It's really mind opening. And this mind opening is causing you to be more open in general, more open to different possibilities, more open to the divine, more open to the guidance that you are receiving. Lead the way, light your own path. Yeah. So this is you following the guidance um, from the divine, with a really open crown chakra, and your crown chakra is located on the top of your head if you didn't know. You've got so much power, and you are just like administering out so much light, or emitting out so much light, so much light and power, and others can sense this coming from you. You have an assurance about yourself. You are self-assured, um, and you're walking in trust and devotion, and you are determined to move into more of your authentic self. It's really nice how those two cards that fell out together just flew together like that. They were just so in sync, so aligned. This message is going to be good, y'all. Spirit messages. Observe illuminations. Okay? Yeah, I knew this message was going to be good. This is like saying it, basically. Like, what you are observing. You are observing synchronicities. You are observing alignments. You're noticing these things. You are aware of all of this. You're seeing the angel numbers. You're putting two and two together. You're smart. You're really smart. You are a genius, is what I'm hearing. This card again here is letting me know that you're very powerful, and your power, you're containing it. You're containing your power and energy. Your energy is coming back to you, and it just keeps uh, getting stronger within you. You are able to contain your energy now. It is actually building up and building up. It feels so good. Yeah, it's amazing. It's an amazing feeling. Dark night of the soul. Life brings new meaning. So you've been through the darkness, okay? We've established that. And your perspectives are shifting. they have shifted and they're continuing to shift. You're seeing the world in a different light. Old things may be wanting to stay with you. They're trying to stay with you. This time is a time where the old is maybe reoccurring and popping up to see if you still want it. But this is where you show the universe that you don't want it. You can let the trash go. Drop the baggage, drop the old baggage, so you can have your hands open for what's new to come to you, what's glorious, because it's way better than what you're letting go of. I felt that this message was a good one. I mean, they're all good, but you know, this one is really juicy already. Ooh, okay. Deep reflection. Confirmation. Can I just say confirmation? Thank you, Spirit. Through deep reflection, profound intuitive insights emerge. That's a confirmation. Yeah. You've been spending a lot of time in stillness too, in breathing. You've been breathing more. Meditating more is what I'm hearing. Reflecting. You've been in stillness and shut off from everyone pretty much. I mean, you know, of course you have those people that you see on a daily basis with work or whatnot, but for the most part you've been in hermit mode, and this has been on purpose to mold you into what Spirit wants you to be, what you want to be, honestly, because you asked for it, you prayed for it, and now God is giving it to you. God is molding you to fit what you prayed for, what you desire. And this is taking a lot of trust too, going on this journey. And patience. Patience is being built within you. And you've been very patient, most of you. Hidden truth. Your intuition is revealing hidden truths. Stay aware. Yeah, so perspective shifts. This is going along with what the message has been saying thus far about perspective shifts. Third eye opening. Being so connected to Spirit and just really following the intuitive hits that you're getting. This stillness that you've been in has really been developing your senses, which in turn has made your intuition so much stronger. And with this new development in your intuition and your third eye opening, your throat chakra has also opened up, and you've been speaking up. You've been speaking up for yourself. You have been not afraid to tell your truth. Hidden truths. Yeah, not afraid to tell your truths. You do not care. You no longer care what people think. You know what is right for you. And if someone disagrees, oh well. Oh well. You got this. You got spirit. You got your team, your divine team. Seeing beyond. Look beyond the obvious. Trust your intuition to reveal deeper insights. Please. And your heart is open so much. I mean, come on. Come on now. I mean, just think back. You've been reflecting. You know this. You know, at some point in the past, you were very closed off. Your heart was just like, things would happen. People would mishandle your trust, take advantage of you. But now, you know, you are on this different level. You're on this different vibration. You understand things in a different way. You aren't afraid to be yourself. And your heart is opening. You're accepting yourself and you're accepting others. Because of this perspective shift, you have so much more compassion and empathy for others. Because you know that we all go through different situations in life. We all have our own experiences, which create our beliefs, the way we go about things. Yeah. And this is reiterating how connected you are. Intuitive healing. Your intuition guides you toward deep inner healing. All of this is very healing for you. The heart opening, that's very healing. This is a healing process. Very deep healing process. Healing so many deep core wounds and transforming your deeply rooted beliefs that were false. They're all lies. And you're being introduced, you have been introduced to truth, and you are accepting it now. And things are just going to get better and better. They're getting better and better. Mystique. Keep charging ahead and don't take no for an answer. Expect miraculous solutions to appear. Confirmation on what I just said. I just said things are going to keep getting better and better. Expect it. Expect these miraculous things to appear. It's yours. The world is yours. Just keep that positive mindset moving forward, because your thoughts are creating your reality. So if you're thinking positive thoughts, what do you think you're going to get? More of that positivity. So leave those negative thoughts behind. Get you a tourmaline stone. Absorb those negative thoughts. They can kick rocks. Kick rocks. I did not mean to pun. Okay. You got things going for you, boo. Ooh. Serena. I am the angel of abundance. You will receive the money that you need. And God is in charge of how that will happen. Have faith. Like I said, get you some crystals, boo. This one, the name of this one, it eludes me at the moment. But this one gives prosperity. Look how beautiful it is. This is giving the energy of prosperity here. And so is this pyrite, okay? These stood out to me while I was shuffling the deck, and it was for a reason. It was for a daggone reason. I know you guys are some crystal lovers, a lot of you. Also, cleansing. Cleansing is really good for you, and you have been cleansing. You know, just keep doing what you're doing because you're doing swell. You're doing wonderful. Okay. Selenite is a crystal that you can cleanse with. This one here in particular is an orange selenite. I keep it over here. Also, there are sprays that can cleanse. There's incense, sage, meditations, sound waves from sound bowl, magic. There is magic and miracles all around me. Where others see coincidence, I see evidence of life's synchronicities. I love filling life with wonder and magic. It's way more fun that way. Confirmation on all the miracles, on all the magic, on answered prayers. Like, come on now, come on. Everything happens for a reason, you know. These synchronicities are just proof that goodness, greatness is headed your way. It's coming to you. It's coming to you. You don't have to come to it. It will meet you. It will meet you where you are. Okay. Where you are in life. In divine timing. In divine timing. Yes. Spirit, come through. May the righteous be glad and rejoice before God. May they be happy and joyful. This is Psalms 68:3. May you be happy and joyful because you got magic and miracles in your life. You've got wonderful things coming your way. You've got so much abundance, so much prosperity, money, everything has your name on it, is being prepared for you. Yes. Gratitude is so important right now as well. Keep on having that gratitude. Oh, these high vibrations are so lovely. Like, I'm loving this. Thank you, Spirit. I feel like I'm talking to like a really religious crowd here also, because like I'm hearing like hallelujah in my mind right now. So yeah, you guys, thank you, Jesus. Like it's going down. Like, you guys, your energy is like amazing. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. We've got Amazonite. Seek harmony and balance. Let peace guide your way. You guys are walking in peace. You guys have had peace. You're not letting things disturb your peace, okay? Now, you are, anything that comes up, the emotions that come up, you are aware of it and you're feeling it and letting it pass on by, letting it pass through you, alchemizing it, and still being joyful, still choosing joy. You guys are amazing. Did you know that? You're amazing. If no one told you, I'm telling you. Oh, there we go. Tiger's Eye. Find courage and confidence. Let your strength guide you. Come on now. I'm gonna need those snaps. I'm gonna need those snaps because you gotta relate to this. If you're here, you girl, boy, like I'm pretty sure you're relating to this. Are you not? Come on now. Thank you, Spirit. I really enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed it too. Love you all. Have a beautiful time in whatever it is you decide to do. Bye. Peace and love.